Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll solve a classic chemical process calculation problem mixing two liquid steam of a different concentration using the material balance principle. I'll explain the equation, show the derivation and then run the Python code to get the result all inside Google Colab. Let's get started. Here is the problem statement. When two liquid steam mix, say two acid of different strength, the total mass and total amount of solute must be conserved. That is the heart of a material balance, like input is equal to output. Here we'll mix two aqueous acid stream to form one product stream. Let's look at the data. Stream 1 has flow rate F1 is equal to 1000 kg per hour and a mass fraction W1 0.2 or 20% acid. Stream 2 has a flow rate F2 that is 500 kg per hour and mass fraction W2 is equal to 0.6 that is 60% acid. We assume there is a no reaction and no loss of the material. Here we need to find the product flow rate F and the product acid concentration W. Let's write mathematical. Here is the picture. So stream 1 in that blue line and stream 2 the red. Okay, so all this detailed information is writing here, and then in the mixer it will mix and then we'll get product and specific concentration. So we have to calculate that what will be the total flow rate and specific concentration. Now let's write the material balance equation step by step. So total mass balance, that is F is equal to F1 plus F2, and then component acid balance, so that is F into W is equal to F1 W1 plus F2 into W2. And from here if we reorganize the two equation from this two equation, we can easily calculate W is equal to F1 W1 plus F2 W2 divided by F1 plus F2. So F1 W1, F2 W2, F1 plus F2, all these parameters known, and we can easily calculate W. So now here is the Python small code. So F1 is there, W1 is there, F2 is also 500, W2 0.6. Now from here we can calculate F and W and then we can print. So if I run, so already we got that answer. So product flow rate F is equal to 1500 kg per hour and product composition W is equal to 0.3333. So that is 33.3833%. So that's the way to solve this chemical process calculation problem. That's it. Thank you.